Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Pisces, back with another one for y'all, for us, all of us included. Stalkers, cross watchers, investigators, baby mamas, baby fathers. You want to know what's going on? Welcome back. I'm glad you could be here. It's all good. You're welcome. Now look, it's gonna be a 3 card draw. I ain't gonna hold you long. Yeah. Starting off with the Page of Wands, followed by the 9 of Wands, followed by the Star. So what's going on here is it looked like it's a battlefield out here, yo. Just keep it a beam with you. It's the battlefield of your life. But this is not the type of battlefield that looks all animated and looks all super production and dramatic. It doesn't come with all of that. Pause. This comes with more of spirituality, spiritual growth, and a little bit of delusion, a little bit of being batshit crazy because somebody is looking at you like you're batshit crazy. Nonetheless, they about to come to you with an offer. They might have this. Some of y'all already got the good news, and this could be along the lines of anywhere between acting or doing something online or doing some type of commercial or doing some type of work where you have to be monitored in some type of way. Also, this can come in the form of financing. Like there's someone who's willing to give you a loan and they're like very young, energetic type of person that's in the industry, and they like got their eyes set on you because they see how batshit crazy you are. They see your risk as an investment when others see it as, yo, they're high risk. Look at how they talk. Look at how they look. You know, how they speak. Blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? And that person is just like, nah, you don't understand. I see the youthfulness in me, in them. Like, what they're doing is being their authentic self. I'm willing to gamble on them. I'm telling you, watch. Let me just do this. And the reason being that they're so strong about it is because they've analyzed you and they see that you have a track record. They see that you've been doing this for a minute. And to the trained eye, especially when it comes to finances or even in other industries where people are looking for results, they will look at you and say, I'd have been quit. I'd have been doing something else with my time. I got to get this money on, and what you're doing, it doesn't seem to be doing too well. But nonetheless, you stick with it. What makes you such of a dog that you stick with it? And you're feeling like, you know what? I'm this close to something. I don't know if it's the end. I don't know if it's the beginning, but I know I'm this close to it. And nonetheless, however it turns out, it's going to be a success story. You know? So that type of courage and that type of persistence is what gets these other people who are looking at you so motivated to invest in you. It's like sometimes when you want to come up, they ain't with you there shooting in the gym. Sometimes people just can't see the vision. You understand what I'm saying? And when they can't see the vision, who are you to tell them, yo, y'all foul? Some people do it though, right? Y'all foul. Oh, y'all ain't trying to fuck with me like that. Or y'all see me doing my thing. Y'all ain't trying to help, buy black businesses and shit like that. And it's just like, yo, we understand, but some people just don't see the vision. They don't start getting on the bandwagon until it's time to. Until other people start calling your name, until other people start shouting you, until other people start recommending you and saying, yo, you seen Pisces over there? Yo, Pisces doing their thing like you crazy. It's like, oh, they only got 10,000 subscribers. But other people be like, yo, but I'm telling you, that shit don't matter, but I'm telling you, have you met them? Have you spoke to them? You understand what I'm saying? Type shit. That's what's going on right now. And the ability to still fight is what has this person and these people in your corner. I feel like it's going to be a representative of a company, of an industry, or something like that that's approaching you. Like I said, some of y'all have gotten the news already. It's good news. It's great news, as a matter of fact. And congratulations to you. You don't even got to get in the comment section and tell me what it is. I don't got to get in your business like that. You understand what I'm saying? But I will tell you that you deserve it. I will tell you that you deserve it. And what else do I mean to say? Use your instincts. Don't think that you're letting your feelings or your emotions get in the way with what it is that you're doing at this very moment right now. Even with the offer that you've gotten. And, you know, I feel like your instincts is going to be responsible. Because you may feel like with this new offer at hand and accepting it, that you may have to be super responsible or super. And what I'm saying is, don't be so careful that you negate your instincts. And your instincts is your feelings. All right? So that can be a double-edged sword. It could be maybe you might be in danger. Don't lose your instincts and your wits about yourself just because you got great news and you feel like you're on top of the world now. It's just like, nah, don't put your guard down. Remember, this is a battlefield. Look at this motherfucker. You feel me? It ain't over. It's almost over. It's almost over. Because what's expected of you is you're going to help. You're going to encourage people that don't even think that they could go through what you went through to actually take the risk and go through what you went through. I feel like I'm talking to Pisces people that have taken the road less traveled. And yeah, that looks cool and admirable from the outside. I think I just watched the movie 2 Dimensions from 2011. Great movie. It's about parallel universes and dimension hopping, time travel and shit like that. But it says something along the lines of, yeah, being an artist is great, but something about art is great, but the facts, some shit like that. Like basically was downplaying art for facts. And what I'm feeling is you're more along the lines of the art sector, and people have been watching you and they're like, man, if this person pulls it off in a way that I can deem it to be successful, then I'm really fucking with that energy. You understand what I'm saying? And they will be under the belief that they can start anew. A lot of people want to renew their lives. They want to renew their contracts that they're in and shit like that. And they're just looking for an out to be like, yeah, I could escape now. Because an escapist, Pisces, has pulled off the impossible. I might be fluffing it a little bit, but maybe I'm not. Until next time, I'm out.